One thing I can offer you, Teddy, is a new voice. The voices come in little plastic boxes which go inside the doll.
Zong Zue.
That isn't how Teddy talks. That's not Teddy. But that's Penguin's voice. Susie.
Mr. Dinosaur, do you want a new voice? Silly question, really.